You guys can join me now on YouTube. I'm currently on YouTube. So for those of you guys who want to join me on YouTube, I'm currently live on YouTube. You can join me on YouTube. So Obodo, please hang on. I will continue my analysis on GBP New Zealand. I need to quickly send some link to some of the members in the community so that they can know we are live now on YouTube. So right, we are live now on YouTube, right? So please, traders, join me right now on YouTube. We are live right now on YouTube, right? So I need to quickly check on my YouTube right here to get access to the live stream. So what I'm going to be going through right now is let's check right here, right? So, and as well, I apologize for some background noises right here on my chart. You know, there are some background noises on my chart. I mean, in the live stream, I just installed a fan on my desktop computer, so I think the fan is not compatible with my desktop computer. So that is why you can see some background noises. You can hear some background noises, I mean. So so sorry for that. So I will try as much as possible to speak louder so that you guys can hear my voice. Okay, right? Good, thank you. So back to the analysis on GBP New Zealand. So in this uptrend, we can see our price have been moving in this uptrend right here all the way down. We have price retesting. So what I'm currently looking out for on GBP New Zealand is after the application of my Fibonacci retracement tool from the peak structure right here all the way down to the low of this structure, we have price finding a rejection at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. This is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. And as well, if you monitor closely at the left side of price actions right here, at this zone right here, we have a series of resistance structure. There was a series of resistance structure at this medium right here, and they're currently at this same medium right here, price is finding a potential resistance, and this key level structure right here, anyway, it's a minor key level structure, but this key level structure tend to act at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level after the application of our Fibonacci retracement tool from the high peak right here all the way down. Get that? So, and as well, we can see our price made a strong bearish aggressive downtrend. When compared to other flow of bearish swings in this uptrend, we can see this strong bearish aggressive fall right here. It's obvious. No, it's so stronger than the previous bearish trend we have been having in this uptrend. So I'm trying to see if price can find a rejection of the 0.5% Fibonacci retracement level based on the previous resistance structure we got right here. So let me get off this green mark right here and put some levels right here so that you guys can have an idea of what I meant. You can see that level right here. You can see the level right here. This structure right here, it was a resistance for price. Likewise, this medium right here has a potential to act as resistance for price. So this is what I'm looking out for. And then let's zoom in on the price chart. So zooming in on the price chart, we can see there is a bearish engulfing candlestick at this exact level right here. There is a bearish engulfing candlestick right here. You can see the bearish engulfing candlestick this medium right here. We have a bearish engulfing candlestick right here. You can see that. So, and this bearish engulfing candlestick forms at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level with the previous resistance structure we had right here before we had a massive bullish breakout. We had a resistance structure right there. So this resistance structure right here is showing a significant level for price, right? So this is why I currently am not looking for a long position on the GBP New Zealand. I will only be looking for a long position only if I can see price breaking out of this descending trend line. As well, you might be asking or been wondering, how did I connect this trend line? So this is how I connected this trend line. Right from the peak right here, right from the peak of price at this medium right here, I was able to connect the next swing level right here all the way down to the third swing right here. Remember, it takes 2 points to construct a trend line, but it takes 3 points to confirm a trend line. So we have the bearish engulfing candlestick being rejected from this trend line at the third section right here. This is the first rejection, the higher high swing right here. This is a potential low high swing right here, and this is the third rejection right here, potential rejection right here, which anyway is yet to be formed. So this is why for now I am not looking for a buy sentiment on GBP New Zealand. Just to let you know, I already have a small short position on GBP New Zealand. I already had a small short position, right? So this is how I made a short position. I'm already shorting the pullback of this bearish engulfing candlestick right from this medium right here, and I had my stop loss above the high of this bearish engulfing candlestick. So I'm currently in small amount of profits, but I would like to trail my profits to break even before the market close today, because there could be sudden gap on Monday. So I would like to trade my profit to break even, because it should, in case of any sudden or bullish or gap in the market. So this is what I'm having on GBP New Zealand. So I told you, I executed a small short position. So I will be looking now to add to my short position if price can break below the low of this bullish candlestick which formed on Wednesday, because this is the day chart. I'm analyzing this price chart right from the day chart. So I got in a sell position at this medium right here. This is where I got into a sell position at this medium right here, okay? And I'll be looking out to add to my position at this medium right here, to add to my short position. Now let's check on the 4-hour chart to have an idea of what I'm talking about. So based on the 4-hour chart, I am trying to trade a potential double top. This is what we have on the 4-hour chart. So right here is the first top right here, and then this is the second top. So I'm trying to take a top pattern on the 4-hour chart. So this is where I got in. So I'm just in a small position, small profit right there. So I'll be looking to add my position if price can break the neckline of this double top. So if I can see a strong bearish close of price below this neckline right there, I'll be looking to make another short entry at this medium again. So as the price progress downward, then I'll be looking for more shorting position. So like I stated earlier, this is an aggressive sell entry. It's a very risky sell entry. So I just initiated a small position of my account. So what I initiated right here is just 0.25. So I'm risking 0.25 right here on this trade, right? So this is the entry I made right here. So once the market get to this medium right here, I will add another. So once the market get to break out of this level right here, I will add another 0.25, right? So this is how I will keep on adding to my position. So this is how I get into trade in the market. So you don't just have to take a very huge risk when you know the market threshold is here to change. As well, on the 4-hour chart, the application of our trend line from this structure right here all the way down, you can see what we have all the way down right here, and they will connect it upward. You can see that. So this is what we have on the 4-hour chart of New Zealand. I think I sent out this trade signal. I sent out this trade signal in my Telegram group yesterday. I sent it out in my Telegram channel, and I don't know if I sent it out. Let me see if I still have the trade image on this. Okay, I will share with you guys the trade image. Okay, this is the trade right here. This is it right there. You can see it right there. This was the trade. This is the image of the trade when I sent it out in the Telegram group yesterday. So this is the image I sent out in the Telegram group yesterday, right? So that is it. So that is one of the benefits of being in my Telegram group. So if I can see a strong bearish close of price below this trend rising trend line and below this neckline right here, I'll be looking to add another 0.25. Remember, I have a 0.25 at this medium right here, 0.25 right here. Okay, so as the market moves down, I'll keep on adding to my sell position, right? So that is my view on GBP New Zealand. So if price should break above this resistance structure right here, then it means the bearish sentiment I have right here is kind of wrong, because this would definitely lead to a double bottom for more rally on British pound sterling paired against New Zealand. So, and take note, I am taking this trade on a different account. So I'm trading it. I have different trading accounts, and I think you as a trader need to have different trading accounts. So there are some trading accounts which I take high risky trade setup on those accounts, and there are some accounts I only take out setup that confirms to my trading strategies, to my trading qualifications, right? So there are some trading accounts I use for backtesting purposes. So as a trader, you need to have separate account for different trading decisions, right? So this trade is a very risky trade, so I'm taking it on a different trading account, right? And I stated in my Telegram group, I said this is a very risky trade, so make sure you are careful, or better don't take this trade, right? Because the market structure right here is yet to change. Because if you're asking the market structure right here, this is the higher low structure right here, higher low structure right here, higher low structure right here. So the higher low structure is still active on GBP New Zealand, right? So which is other question we have. Someone said New Zealand paired against the USD. So let's check New Zealand paired against the USD. So if New Zealand is strong, definitely GBP USD has the potential to move in a downtrend. But if New Zealand is weak, then GBP has a tendency to move in a downtrend. So let's check New Zealand USD. Is New Zealand USD strong? New Zealand USD is currently in a downtrend. We can see the downtrend right here. We can see right from this high swing, we can see how the market keeps on moving in the downtrend. So the market trend, the downtrend is still active on New Zealand USD. So based on what I can see technically, the market is still active in its downtrend on New Zealand USD, right? So for now, someone said hello, New Zealand is bullish. No, what I can see right here on New Zealand is not bullish, it's bearish. New Zealand USD is bearish, it's on the bearish phase, but we can't say whatever, maybe a bullish surprise could happen in the market today. Someone said just got the #1 gifter badge. Okay, thank you, Yasin. Mike Recon, thank you. Gold buy. So yesterday a lot of people were saying gold sell, gold sell, gold sell, gold sell. So someone is now asking, should we buy? So currently right now I'm doing nothing on gold. I'm still monitoring to see what gold is going to offer, because right now gold is confused. There's a lot of confusion on gold. So I think for now as a trader, it's just for you to stay out and keep on exercise patience. There's much more money to be made when you exercise patience, right? There's much more money to be made when you exercise patience. You don't have to jump into the market all the time with the hope that you will make profit. No, there's much money to be made in when you exercise patience. Not all the time you have to keep trading. So okay, thank God, I think the fan on my desktop right now has stopped making noises. So based on what we have on gold currently right now, I think it's a time for you just to exercise patience. Wait for when the market will be opened up, because currently right now the market is kind of confused. The market doesn't even know the direction it should take. So as a trader, your obligation is to exercise patience. The financial market is a medium of transferring wealth from the impatient traders to the patient traders. So if you really want to make money in trading, you have to learn how to exercise patience. You have to learn how to exercise patience. You don't necessarily need to trade all the time. Okay, so currently right now I'm still exercising patience on gold, and in fact I'll be looking out to see what gold is gonna the result of gold. I'm looking out to see what gold will transform to before the end of this week. no, we have some like not up to 12, we have like, or maybe not up to 12 hours again. We have almost like maybe, in the next 9 hours and 30 minutes, the market should come to an end. So it is better we just wait for what good to wait for good decision maybe till next week. So based on the weekly chart, since the week is almost coming to an end, if gold can give us a doji candlestick right here, then this would signify a state of indecision in the gold market. So this will signify a state of indecision. So currently what I'm seeing, I'm not looking for any trade opportunity on gold this week. I'll be looking out for trade opportunity on gold next week, right? So that is what I have on gold. So you guys can ask me question. If you are watching from my YouTube channel, you can use the live chat section to ask me questions. And then if you are watching from a TikTok, you can ask me questions. From Facebook as well, you guys can ask me questions. And make sure you follow my profile, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then follow my TikTok account. And use the link in the description of this live stream to get access to my Telegram group. If you are watching from TikTok, click on the link on my bio and they'll select the trading setup Telegram, just as written in this view of the screen. All right, learn to trade. Click on the link on my bio, select on the trading setup Telegram. All right, so this is what I have on gold. Any other question once again? So for now, I'm not looking for long position on gold. Neither am I looking for a short position on gold. So currently what I have right here, gold is still in a state of confusion. I want gold to make its final decision before I will get in, because right now gold is in a state of confusion. Gold doesn't know what he is gonna do right now. So I don't want to jump into this market and then the market keeps on taking me up and down. So I want an open market, a market that has a definite direction of movement, right? Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Do we have any other question? Let's go on Euro US. Let's go on GBP USD. GBP USD, nothing right here. The market is still going within the state of indecision right here. The market is still going up right here in a kind of a ranging medium. So what we have right here, no, I don't like the price action right here. So I'm staying off that. I want the market to be open up. I want an open market, right? So let's check Euro USD. Euro USD as well. No, let's see if price will break the channel we have in this downtrend. You can see this channel we have in this downtrend. Let's see if this channel will fail to hold for price. So price is still bouncing in this channel. So let's see if this channel will fail to hold for price. If we can see a strong bearish close of price below the channel, then it suggests there's a more tendency for price to retest the key level structure, which acts at the price of the 1.04927. We have a support structure right here on the price chart right here. So let's see what will happen. Okay. Anyways, Thursday bar actually carved like a pin bar candlestick right here. You can see that. So let's see if this Friday bar can also find a bullish rejection. If we can find a bullish rejection right here, then that is a bullish sentiment. So price could move up to test the upper resistance structure, which acts at the price of the 1.06353. So let's keep monitoring. And this is one of the reasons I don't like to trade on Friday. On Friday, I'm always very careful to trade, because on Friday, this is when most of the weekly setup bar usually confirm their formations. So on Friday, I mostly don't like to trade on Fridays, right? So on Friday, it's a time whereby I go on vacation or keep on monitoring the market, studying the market to see what the weekly candlestick is going to transform into, right? Thank you. So do we have any other question? Do we have any other questions? Is there any other questions? Let me know if there's any other question you guys want to ask. Closing weekly and monthly candle. The monthly candle is going to close on Tuesday, because the month of October will actually come to an end on Tuesday, 31st. This month has 31 days. So the monthly candlestick is very important at the end of each monthly close. So I'll also be willing to study the monthly candlestick this weekend. But 2 days can still give us a different transformation. Within 2 days, the market sentiment can change. Even within 1 hour, within 5 minutes, market sentiment can change. So the monthly candlestick cannot still yet be guaranteed for us in our analysis. We need to wait until when it has fully been formed. So Monday and Tuesday could still transform something else on monthly candlestick, right? So that is the actions on Euro USD is still doji candlestick currently right now on the monthly chart. So Monday and Tuesday could still lead this candlestick on the monthly chart to a bearish candlestick or a bullish candlestick. So let's see if this candlestick can maintain its doji formation till the close of price action on Tuesday, which is the end of this month in October. So if we can have a doji candlestick as a monthly candlestick, then that means the price action within month of October was in a state of indecision. So next month there is a higher possibility that the bulls could set in, because whenever there's a doji candlestick at a key level structures, it does suggest the market is in a state of indecision, and then the other side of the market can come in to move the market up. As you can see, the month of September was a bearish candlestick. So if the month of October formed a doji candlestick, then the bulls have an upper hand next month to put price upward, and then this could turn into a money candlestick on the monthly chart. And if we can have a money candlestick on the monthly chart at a key level structure, then that would be a very strong buy technical long technical signal on Euro USD. So as I stated, let's wait to see what the Tuesday candlestick we formed on the monthly chart of Euro USD. So someone said, okay, check Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. Okay, I will do that. Hi guy, please, I know, but I have predicted a go today, and as ETP, brother, just keep up. Hi guy, please, I know, but I have predicted a go today, and one as it take profit, just keep up. All right, that is great news. Davidson. So check Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. So Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen, let's check it out. Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. So let's check the day chart. Based on Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen, what I can see right here, it's a very choppy market. So right here, I can't yet see any reason to long, but we have a symmetrical chart pattern right here. You can see what we have right here. So we have a symmetrical chart pattern. So this is what we have on the Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. So if you want to trade this asset right here, you need to know there is a symmetrical chart pattern. You can see that. So right from this structure right here, we have it. So let's see how price is going to react to this medium. Maybe price is going to break to the upside or to the downside. So let's apply our trend line on this asset. Right from this current market price zone right here, you construct it back, and from the current price action right here, you construct it down back. So this is the best way you draw your trend line. You construct your trend line right from the current price action zone. So based on Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen, for now there isn't any trade on this rally right there. So we need to wait for the breakout of price. So price could break to the upside or to the downside, right? So we need to wait to see the direction, because in a symmetrical chart pattern there are two ways price could break out to. Price could break to the upside or to the downside. So that is what we have on Australian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. Please, if I want to learn FS, what strategy am I learning from you? Or if you want to learn strategy, you learn raw price action from me. I'm a raw price action trader, and I blend it with top-down analysis. I go to the higher time frame from the monthly chart all the way down, and then I use key level structures, that is support and resistance, demand and supply zones. I use that as well. And then I use momentum, liquidity, volume. Those are one of my major key factors. So there's no how I can see a nice price action if there's no volume, liquidity in that market. I won't get in. I want to see volume, liquidity, momentum in the market. I want to see price giving me a strong reasons for me to get into the market. And then I top the analysis, I want to flow in direction of the higher time frame because I'm a long-term trader. So that is very important. So if you want to learn from me, if you want to learn from me, you will learn the use of raw price action, that is trading without indicators. I'm not here to condemn trading indicators, but I'm a trader that trades without no trading indicator. So I trade raw price action in combination with top-down analysis, key level structure, demand, supply, volume, momentum, liquidity. So this is what I trade, right? Someone said, and the win rate. There's no specific win rate in trading, right? So if you're asking win rate, it means you are a beginner trader in the market. There isn't any specific win rate in trading. No, winning rate is not constant. There's a month you make a good percentage on your track record, and there are some months you could do lesser, and there are some months you could have a break-even record, and there are some months you could have a higher trading record. So far this month, in the month of October, I was able to do up to 18, that is almost 18.8%. I had a losing trade this week, and the track record reduced to 16.8%. So far in the month of October, my win rate this month is I was able to make 16.87% on my track record. So if you are able to make 16.87% on your track record, then that is good. That means if you have like a $100,000 trading account, that means you have made almost $160,000. That is $16,000. That is if you have a $100,000 account, you have made $16,000. So if you can make almost $16,000 to $17,000 on your account in a month, then that is a great trading record, right? And if you have a $1 million in your trading account, if you're able to make 16.87% in a month, that is almost $170,000. So there are some months I could make more than this, and there are some months it could be lesser, and there are some months it could be at the same range, and there are some months you won't make anything in trading. So, and there are some months you don't really need to trade. Not all the time you have to trade, okay? So you need to be disciplined trader. So when traders ask me the winning rate, I tell them there is no specific winning rate. It all depends on what the market offers you, and you have to be very grateful whatever the market offers you, because there are a lot of traders who get into the market with the hope to trade to make money, and they have never withdrawn from trading. All what most traders know is just to fund their account, deposit in their account. They have never withdrawn ever. So if you are fortunate to be able to make profit, no matter how small the profit is, just be grateful, and they'll improve in your trading skills. So as a trader, if you are able to make consistent 3% profit every month for a year, that is 36% on your trading account, which is good. So if you are able to make 10% in a month, you are a genius. If you are able to make 5% in a month, you are doing great as a trader. So for me to make 16.8, almost to 18% in a month, then I don't need to tell you. Likewise, you don't need a prophet to tell you that this trader really know what he does, and this trader is a real trader, it's not a fake trader, right? So based on your winning rate is not static. It depends on what the market gives you. Just like the market is not static, the market is always in a flux. The market is always fluctuating up and down, right? I think that is a great answer to your question, right? So someone said, so how much is your mentorship? Is it online or physical? I do not offer physical training, only online. But as time goes on, I could find a way to implement physical training, because a lot of traders have been asking for physical training. But currently right now, it's online mentorship. And I have two programs. I have the free mentorship and the premium mentorship. So for the free mentorship, this is the free mentorship you are enjoying right now, and I hope you like it, okay? So this is the free mentorship class. I come on right here, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and I dish out free content, valuable content, how to trade the financial market. So for those traders who are willing to step higher, to take their trading skills, their knowledge to the next level, for those traders who really want to take trading as a professional job, then you can opt in for my premium mentorship training. It is optional, it is not compulsory. If you are okay with the free class, then good. You are good to go with that. And if you want to level up your trading experience, your career, you really want to take trading as a serious business, then you can check out my premium mentorship program. Click on the link on my bio, click on the link in the description of this video, and tap on the mentorship tab. Once you tap on the mentorship tab, you will get access to the premium mentorship prices right there. Okay, I am not here to make mention of value or money. You go to click on the link on my tab. There are different mentorship programs right there. Just click on the link on my bio. Once you get right there, you find more details about my mentorship program. Right? Good. So any other questions about trading? Any other questions about trading, and then about any other asset you want us to analyze in the market? So let's check the Canadian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. The rising wedge is still active. So let's see how price is gonna go. Let's see that, right? So we are still monitoring that, right? So let's see S&P 500. No, I took some trade on S&P 500 and the Jones Industrial Average last week, and it was a very profitable trade. It was a profitable trade. So actually this week I was waiting for a pullback. If we could see a pullback to this neckline structure of this double top, but price never offered a pullback. So the market continues in a downtrend. Anyways, I closed my position at this low structure. That was last I think that was this week. So I got out of this position on S&P 500 and the Jones Industrial Average. So that is what I have. So this week is almost coming to an end, and soon, the next few hours from now, I have to shut down my computer, my trading desk, my trading setup, and go for vacation and relax. So you need to create a time to relax, to free yourself from stress as a trader, right? So make sure you follow this profile, click on the link on my bio, and select trading setup to join my Telegram group. If you are watching from YouTube as well, you can do that. So that is all I want to share with you guys today. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let's check silver as well. Let's check the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, there is a potential head and shoulder chart pattern on the silver. Based on what we can have right here, we have right shoulder, head right here, and the broadening right shoulder. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So we kind of have a broadening shoulder right there. So price is currently breaking out of the neckline structure of this pattern on the 4-hour chart. You can see the neckline structure right here. So price is currently breaking out. This might be a great sell on silver, right? So if you're a commodity trader, you can check that out. You could check it out and run your analysis, right, guys? So any other questions? Make sure you follow my profile, follow this profile, and then like my videos. Do not like more than 2 videos at a time, right? Like my videos, right? Share this live stream, right? So this is all I want to share with you guys today. So we'll be live on maybe on Saturday, just to talk about general world of trading, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this live stream. So we gotta go. Any other question? Any other questions? And please, guys, in the comment section, please let me know where you are watching from. Let me know your country. Where are you watching from? Please type your country. I want everyone to respond. Please type your country. Where are you watching from? Where is your country? Tap your country. Let us know where you are watching from, right? Okay, guys. Comment your country. Okay. Someone is from Kenya. You are welcome from Kenya. Thanks for joining the live stream. Kenya. Okay. Escondido CA. Okay. Is that Canada? Someone said from Nigeria. Okay. Rich Kid, you are welcome. John, is that Canada? Right. So any other question about trading? Any other question? Any other question about trading? Any other question about trading? Right? Comment your country. Comment where you are watching from. Comment your country. Right? And guys, thanks for the gift. Right? Thanks for the gift. Okay, California. Okay, you are welcome. That is United States. Okay, you are welcome. Thank you, John from California. All right, we have no traders from California, from Nigeria. Someone says, sorry, what time is news coming? So as a raw price action trader, I don't usually focus my attention on news because news tend to distract my technical views. But the major news I focus my attention on is interest rate. I'm so much interested in interest rate. So there are some interest rate coming on next month. So this is where I check out my interest rate. You can go to Forex Factory. So whenever I want to check out interest rates, I keep note of interest rate. So let's check out the calendar right here. We have the today Friday, we have the Euro Summit, we have the core PC price index USD, we have the revised UOM consumer sentiment USD. So by 1:30 we are gonna have some high impact news. So this could contribute volatility in the market. So if you are trading any currency paired against the USD, you have to be very careful, right? Especially for those who want to trade gold paired against the USD, for those who want to trade GBP USD, any currency paired against the USD, you got to be very, very careful, right? Because there are major two impact news. One is by 1:30 and the one is by 3 p.m. So let's check the reactions of this news. So based on the Euro Summit is gone. Let's check the core PCE. Based on Bureau of Economic Analysis, this measures change in the price of goods and services purchased by a consumer, excluding food and energy. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if you have a positive result which is higher than the previous release or the forecast, then you should expect positive movement on USD. But this is not guaranteed. There are some times there will be positive high impact news, positive news result, and then the market will act against the results. So this is why news is unpredictable. So this is why basically I don't so much focus my attention on news. As a technical trader, I'm interested to see what is at the front of me, and what is closer to me is the chart. And the only high impact news I tend to watch out for is the interest rates, which you can get right here. So New Zealand right now, we are expecting next release on their central bank rate is on November 9, and this will be, the source is Reserve Bank of New Zealand. And based on USD, the next rate is on November 1. So on November 1, this time right now, next month by November 1, I have to pay attention to what is going to happen right here. So on GBP US, that is the Great Britain pound sterling, it's November 2. The interest rate is November 2. And the Canada economy, the next release is December 6. So these are the major news impact I always keep track of. So right, so I'm not condemning all these new factors right here, all these fundamental factors right here. Of course they does affect the market, but based on my own trading strategy, whenever I tend to look at news or monitor news, it tends to disrupt my confidence or my technical analysis. It tends to disrupt my technical confidence and analysis and views and or opinions in the market. So this is why I just like to just focus on technicals, right? So since I have a stop loss in place, there are some risks in the market which is inevitable, right? There are some risks in the market, you can't avoid them. They must they must actually come into play, and this is why you need to have a good risk and money management in place. Okay, someone said from Poland. Okay, thank you. You are welcome from Poland. So this is my view, right? So for this week, I don't think I'm gonna trade again for this week. I think I'm even good for the month of October. So if I can make almost 70% in the month of October, then I'm good to go. I don't want to be greedy. Right? There are some traders who were unable to make anything this month, and there's some traders who had losing trade this month. And there's some traders who were not able to make much this month. So my target in a month is 5% in a month. So if I can do 60% in a year, that is good. Actually, I don't trade every month in the year. So there are some August break, these are time whereby investors go on breaks, and during the December period, I don't usually like to trade. So if you minus 2 from the 12 months, that is 10 months. So if I can do 5% every month, for a year, that is 50%, that is 10 months. Actually, not Actually, there's no guarantee you're gonna make 5% every month. There are some months you won't make up to 5%, and there are some months you make above 5%, and there are some months you make that 5%. So, based on in this month October, I made almost 17%. So that is times three of my expectation, which means if I really want to decide not to trade again for the remaining of this year, it's okay. So that is why I'm so very careful, being very extra careful of taking any trade, because I don't want the market to take back my profits. There's difference between making money in the market and also know how to protect your money. If you make profit in the market, if you don't really know how to protect your profit, the market will get away back the profit from you. And this is what some traders are actually going through. Some traders have a good trading strategy. They make profit, but they don't know how to stop trading. You have to know when to stop trading. You have to know when to quit, stop trading, right? So not every day, every week you have to trade. So for the remaining of this month, I'm going to be very, very careful. I'm going to be looking out for the best nice setup. I'm not just going to get into the market anyhow, right? Like I told you, the trade I had on GBP New Zealand, it was on a different account, right? So I'm just trying to test things out on that account, and that is 0.25, not big risk, right? So for this month of October and November, I am good to stop trading for this year. December, I don't usually trade, so I'm good to go for this year, and I'm so grateful for God what I have able to accomplish in trading this year. It was a nice track record. We're doing good right from January, February, all the way down to this month. So that is great, guys. So let's next question. Do we have any other question? Any other question? So okay, right? Okay, guys, it's time for me to time for us to end the live stream. And thank you guys for your support, for the likes, for the share, for the comments. Thank you guys. If you want to learn how to trade, click on the link in my bio and select on the trading setup. So I have to put an end to this live stream right now. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on Saturday. That is Saturday. I'll be right here on TikTok. We're gonna go live as usual, and I'll be right there on Facebook as well. Okay, so thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you're in this live stream right now, click on the link on my bio, and on the newly open page, click on the YouTube tab to select my YouTube channel for more trading educational content. Thank you guys, right? And have a wonderful weekend ahead.